Howdy, math people. Welcome back from your spring break, even though it probably felt like every other day has felt for the last couple weeks, just with no schoolwork. Um, so, for today, just to get your minds back into the swing of things, your assignments today are pretty straightforward. They are going to be due on Wednesday. You've got 3 IXLs, and you actually are going to have more coming down the pike on Tuesday, so don't um, not do anything today because then you're going to be left with a ton of work tomorrow. But anyways, you've got 3 IXLs to work on today, and 2 of them can be found in section EE. So the first one is EE2, and the other one is EE3. These 2 sections have to do with being able to identify various three-dimensional figures. So we were in the middle of a 3D geometry unit prior to the break. These 2 are asking you, for EE2, it's saying like, here's a description of a figure, tell me what figure there is. And the difference is pyramids versus prisms. So if you're not remembering the difference between the 2, I would encourage you to go back and watch the old video that started this 3D unit, because that is where I explained the difference between the 2, and that can get you back up to speed. For EE3, you're going to be shown the net. Remember, a net is if you could unfold a three-dimensional figure and lay it flat. Imagine you taking a cereal box, pulling it apart carefully, and laying it flat. A net is a flat view of a 3D figure. So it's going to show you a net and ask you what figure is being shown, or it's going to say, for this figure, what of the options would be the net. So that's for those 2. The other is going to be found in section FF, and that's going to be section FF dot all the way down to FF19. FF19 is just a recap of surface area, in particular the surface area of pyramids. So you're going to be shown a pyramid and asked what the surface area is. This one requires some work. You can't just whatever. You have to actually have some paper and pencil out. You're going to need to find the surface area of each face and then add it all together. And just in case you forgot how to do that, I'm going to very quickly go over the basics of this. Here is a pyramid. It's a triangular pyramid because the base is a triangle. And to find the surface area of this pyramid, you need to take the shape and unfold it. Or if you're like me and can't do that very well, the alternative is just draw all of the faces. So first we have the base, which is a triangle. And to find the area of the triangle, I need to know that it has a base of 6 and a height of, that's supposed to be a dotted line, a height of 5.2. And then for the sides, there are 3 identical triangular sides. Each of those triangles has a base of 6. So what I'm talking about for the sides is like this. I'm trying to outline it in black. So it has a base of 6, and it has a height going from the base to the tippy top of 8 feet. So the height is 8. So there's 3 of these. So you're going to do 6 times 8 divided by 2. Remember, a triangle, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. But you have to triple that because there's 3 of them. And for this would be base times height divided by 2. And then whatever answer you get here and here, you're going to add those 2 things together, and that would be your surface area. And that's surface area of pyramids, which is in FF19. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I would also encourage you to look back at old videos and or notes and or problems and answer keys. They might be super useful to get your mind back in the swing of things. As has been the case, I will be available via Google Meets in the afternoon, so pop on if you need to. Otherwise, happy Monday. Welcome back. I miss you all. It's very weird doing school like this, but it is what it is. Anyways, happy Monday, and pop on if you need to.